United Nations have inflicted upon the Germans great defeat in open battle, man to man. Our air offensive has seriously reduced their strength in the air and their capacity to wage war on the ground. Our home front have given us an overwhelming superiority in weapons and physical force, and placed at our disposal great reserves of brave fighting men. The tide has turned.
That's all I was read. I thought I was
370 structures lined the many streets and runway aprons. It was a small city.
He's a
The
pilot
greatest
because of his
strength,
pocketbook, right?
the airfield was home to over 4,600 personnel.
Don't you remember he came to me that
population
get back in the
concentration
flying?
within Lawrence
He
County
learned how to fly in
during
Tuscaloosa
that
and
period.
quit when he was a
Might
teenager.
even rival
He came by to fly for Cathlon because he wanted to buy a T6.
It was only a little over
So he
a
wanted
year
me to
after
kick
they
your tail
attacked
with
Pearl Harbor
And
when the
he
first
wanted me
cadet
done
pilot
before the
class
weekend
arrived.
because
This
we
is
could
late
check out the
January
T6 on the
23.
weekend.
Yeah.
Portland began service
And
as a basic
I
flight
wouldn't
school.
finish him, so I went down
Instrument
there
instruction, navigation,
and
night
finished
flying
and
were
got
key elements of
solo
training.
the T6 and
Most leaders
VFR.
in the single
Couldn't even get it out of Birmingham using the radios.
Before engine school,
Showing
replaced the basic flight school in the late summer of
and went bought that T6.
1944.
Then bought them.
P-24 Liberator bombers
still partners
were brought
with
in
this?
that training.
Yeah.
As an emergency construction project, Courtland Air Show. Today, we are fortunate to have with us former servicemen who were posted on the Army Air Show during the war. These are our honored guests.
Yep, hopefully.
P-51 Mustang.
Yesterday, look at the crowd there outside.
They're very good. He doesn't know anything about quadcopters, so he doesn't know how to make a banana. He doesn't know anything about either. I'd have to.
Cut her on and suit up. We're got an hour. Oh. Knowing? Yeah, I think you're right.
Again, we welcome everybody out to the beautiful day here at the Courtland Airfield for our big air show and concerts here today. We thank you for being out here. You see in the air right now, Mr. Billy Strickland is flying the P-51 Mustang. The P-51 Mustang, what an amazing airplane. He's coming in now for a landing. You got to see him flying a bit of there. That airplane right there is amazing history. The first airplane we had during World War II, they could follow the bombers all the way to Berlin or into Germany and back again. Which was an
He's looking at the wrong list. That's the Alabama boys. We're going to do that after that different ribbon cut's a different act. We're after F4U I love old Billy, but he's
Billy Strickland now cutting the power on that beautiful 1,600 horsepower Rolls-Royce Merlin engine. And you see the big pretty canopy. It's a B model, Delta model of a P-51.